The people who actually do the work, that actually climb this tower and would have need for these rest stops, appreciate the heavy hex gauge. Wouldn't it be nice to confirm the sizes that they told you would be on this job? I mean, that is a bit of a climb, right? The heavy hex gauge fits in your wallet and it only shows the standard sizes, so there are no other sizes to confuse you. It shows you a standard nut size, the standard stud size. If you can find the stud size, it'll show you the corresponding nut size. You can find a metric equivalent. You can find a standard metric size. We also make one that goes up to 6 1/8. It also goes to 165 millimeters in metric. And you can measure the studs with that as well, but because it's bigger, it doesn't fit in your wallet like that one does. Let me say this. If you're the person who actually does the work, then you're on the job site and you get the egg on your face if someone got it wrong. Only you know how awful that can be. It stops the job and the crew until the right size shows up or another method has been decided on. That's why I say the HexSizer Heavy Hex Gauge, it's for the people that actually do the work.